A new era of economic growth. The world is changing at an unprecedented pace. We are in the midst of a technological revolution that is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other. This revolution is known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, and it is characterized by the fusion of technologies that blur the lines between the physical, digital, and biological spheres. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is not just about new technologies, but also about the way we use them to create value. It is a new era of economic growth that promises to bring about unprecedented levels of prosperity and well-being. In this video, we will explore the key drivers of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, the technologies that are shaping it, and the implications for businesses, governments, and individuals. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this journey of discovery as we explore the Fourth Industrial Revolution, a new era of economic growth. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is driven by a combination of factors that are transforming the global economy. These key drivers include 1. Digitalization. The rise of digital technologies such as the internet, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live and work. Digitalization is enabling new business models, improving productivity, and creating new opportunities for innovation. 2. Globalization. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is a global phenomenon that is being driven by the interconnectedness of the world economy. Globalization is enabling companies to access new markets, collaborate with partners across the globe, and tap into a global pool of talent. 3. Demographic shifts. The world is undergoing a demographic shift, with an aging population and a growing middle class in emerging economies. These demographic changes are creating new opportunities for businesses, particularly in sectors such as healthcare, education, and consumer goods. 4. Environmental sustainability. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is also being driven by the need to address environmental challenges such as climate change, resource depletion, and pollution. Businesses are increasingly adopting sustainable practices and technologies to reduce their environmental footprint and create new opportunities for growth. These key drivers are shaping the Fourth Industrial Revolution and creating new opportunities for businesses, governments, and individuals. In the next segment, we will explore the technologies that are driving this revolution. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is characterized by the fusion of technologies that blur the lines between the physical, digital, and biological spheres. These technologies are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other. Here are some of the key technologies that are shaping the Fourth Industrial Revolution. 1. Artificial intelligence (AI). AI is the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI is transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, and is creating new opportunities for innovation. 2. The Internet of Things (IoT). IoT is the network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity which enables these objects to connect and exchange data. IoT is enabling new business models, improving efficiency, and creating new opportunities for innovation. 3. Robotics. Robotics is the use of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intervention. Robotics is transforming industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics, and is creating new opportunities for innovation. 4. Blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. Blockchain is transforming industries such as finance, supply chain management, and healthcare, and is creating new opportunities for innovation. These technologies are just a few examples of the many innovations that are driving the Fourth Industrial Revolution. They are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other and are creating new opportunities for businesses, governments, and individuals. In the next segment, we will explore the implications of the Fourth Industrial Revolution for businesses. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is transforming the way businesses operate, creating new opportunities for growth and innovation. Here are some of the key implications of the Fourth Industrial Revolution for businesses. 1. New business models. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is enabling new business models that were not possible before. For example, companies can now use digital platforms to connect with customers and suppliers in new ways, and can leverage data analytics to gain insights into customer behavior and preferences. 2. Increased efficiency. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is enabling businesses to improve their efficiency and productivity through the use of technologies such as automation, robotics, and AI. This is leading to cost savings and improved competitiveness. 3. New products and services. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is creating new opportunities for businesses to develop innovative products and services that meet the changing needs of customers. For example, companies can now use IoT technologies to develop smart products that can communicate with each other and with customers. 4. Talent management. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is creating new challenges for businesses in terms of talent management. Companies need to attract and retain employees with the skills and knowledge needed to work with new technologies such as AI and robotics. 5. Cybersecurity. The fourth industrial revolution is also creating new challenges for businesses in terms of cybersecurity. As companies become more reliant on digital technologies, they need to ensure that their systems are secure and protected from cyber threats. These are just a few examples of the many implications of the fourth industrial revolution for businesses. In the next segment, we will explore the implications of the fourth industrial revolution for governments and individuals. The fourth industrial revolution is not just transforming businesses, but also governments and individuals. Here are some of the key implications of the fourth industrial revolution for governments and individuals. 1. Job displacement. The fourth industrial revolution is likely to lead to job displacement as automation and AI technologies replace human workers in certain industries. Governments and individuals need to prepare for this shift by investing in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills needed to work with the new technologies. 2. Economic growth. The fourth industrial revolution has the potential to drive economic growth and create new opportunities for prosperity. Governments need to create policies and regulations that support innovation and entrepreneurship, and that ensure that the benefits of the fourth industrial revolution are shared across society. 3. Social and ethical issues. The fourth industrial revolution raises a number of social and ethical issues such as privacy, security, and the impact of new technologies on society. Governments and individuals need to work together to address these issues and ensure that the fourth industrial revolution is used for the benefit of all. 4. Healthcare. The fourth industrial revolution is transforming the healthcare industry, creating new opportunities for personalized medicine, remote monitoring, and improved patient outcomes. Governments and individuals need to ensure that these technologies are accessible and affordable for all. 5. Education. The fourth industrial revolution is also transforming the education sector, creating new opportunities for online learning, personalized education, and lifelong learning. Governments and individuals need to invest in education and training programs that equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in the new economy. These are just a few examples of the many implications of the fourth industrial revolution for governments and individuals. The fourth industrial revolution is a new era of economic growth that promises to bring about unprecedented levels of prosperity and well-being. It is up to all of us to ensure that we harness the power of this revolution for the benefit of all.